Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair LG Tone earbuds to your Windows. Okay, so to do this we have to open this charging case and then click and hold this button that is located on the left side of this charging case. Click and hold it until this indicator on the front starts blinking on the blue. Just like that. Right now we can release and put it close to your laptop. Next we have to go to the start and move to the settings. Go for the Bluetooth and devices. Turn it on by tapping on the switcher and click to add device. Select Bluetooth. And now just wait until they pop on the list. As you can see, we can find them right here. So select them. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. If you are going to use the microphone, go to the system settings, go for the sound, it's located right here, and switch from the internal microphone to the external earbuds. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.